What's up everybody, it's Justin at S&K Greenhouse. What if I told you that your broccoli leaves are actually better for you and tastier than your broccoli florets? And in this video, I'm gonna be giving you 4 reasons you should be eating your broccoli leaves, and I'm gonna give you a few ideas on how to use them. Broccoli crowns or florets only make up about 10 or 15% of your total broccoli plant. The leaves make up 50% of your total broccoli plant. So if you're eating your crowns and your leaves, you're eating about 65% of the total carbon footprint. And who doesn't want to make the most out of their plants, especially when you're raised bed gardening? The second reason you should be eating your broccoli leaves is they're actually sweeter and more tender than some of your other greens. I got some collard leaves right here. Let's give this a try. All right, follow me back. Let's get some more greens. I know I've got some Swiss chard in here. Oh yeah. This one's called Bright Lights. Look at that orange stem. Isn't that beautiful? And I know I've got some curly kale growing back here that will be good to try. I'll just grab this one right here. And we need a broccoli leaf. I'll grab this one. And check it out. We've got our 4 greens here to sample. Here's the collards. Okay. Swiss chard. A little earthy, but still good. Hard to beat kale. Oh yeah, kale's really good. Now let's try the broccoli leaf. And yes, I can tell you just from this demonstration, this was definitely sweeter and more tender. The third reason you should be eating your broccoli leaves is it's a superfood. Yes, you heard me right. Just like Swiss chard or kale, broccoli leaves are high in vitamins A, C, K. And just like the florets, the leaves are high in things like potassium, iron, thiamine, niacin, and even fiber. And my final and 4th reason you should be eating your broccoli leaves is they have many practical uses. Ever heard of kale chips? Try broccoli chips instead. Hey, you're growing broccoli during a cool season anyway, so wilt them down in a soup and it will taste excellent. One of my favorite ways to use broccoli leaves is to use them in a salad. Here's my broccoli leaf. I like to cut the stem out because the stem is a bit bitter. So I'm just gonna cut right down through here. Pull this stem completely out. And now I'm gonna do this with all my other greens. I got some Swiss chard here, some kale, some lettuce. All right, now what I'm gonna do is roll this up. Roll it like a little cigar. And then I'm just gonna chop up the ends here. Maybe about 1/8 pieces. Now top that with your favorite dressing, maybe throw in a few croutons and bacon bits, cheese, and you have yourself a wonderful, delicious, healthy salad. Not in the mood for a salad? Let me show you how to use broccoli leaves in an omelet. All right, I got my bacon sizzling. All right, I removed the bacon, poured out some of that grease, left a little bit in there. I got a coarsely chopped onion. Let's go ahead and add that. This is what we call sweating the onion. Stir this around. 3 eggs. Now time to add in a little bit of Tony Shasters or Shasters. I'm not sure which one it is, but their Creole season is delicious. It'll give it a little bit of Cajun feel, a little bit of saltiness. Add a little dash of cayenne because I do like things spicy, and a little bit of cracked pepper. I'm just gonna use a fork, whisk this up, add in a little bit of milk for cream, just a splash. All right, I've got the onion sweated. Now I'm gonna throw in my greens, including the broccoli leaves, and I'm just gonna let those wilt down a bit. Now would be a good time to throw in some mushrooms or bell pepper, but I don't have them today, so I'm just gonna rock what I have. All right, I got the greens wilted down. Let's pour on our egg. Now let's add our cheddar cheese. Now I'm gonna add our bacon back in. And now the part I'm probably gonna mess up, the hardest part, the flip. Hey, not terrible. Let's give this a try. Well, there you go, folks. 4 reasons you should be eating your broccoli leaves and a few ideas on how to use them. Hey, did you enjoy this style of video? If so, let us know down in the comments section so we know to make more. And if you want to join this community, you can do so by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, become a plant person. This really is good.